Hey everyone, Desiree here with Intuitive Gems, and in today's video I'm going to do an unboxing of the Oracle E squared, Oracle deck, a 52 card deck and guidebook to manifest your dreams by Pam Grout and Colette Baron Reed. Now I love the E squared book by Pam Grout. I read it years ago. I've read it several times since then, and it is one of my favorite law of attraction books. So when I discovered that she had an oracle deck, and then she partnered with another creator that I also love and admire, I knew I had to pick this up. Now this is not new. I think this has been out for a while, but it's new to me. You know, I just got it today, and I thought it would be fun to go ahead and do an unboxing with all of you so we can kind of have a look at it and get a first impression of it together. So let me go ahead and remove the shrink wrap, and I'll be right back. Alright everyone, so I got the shrink wrap off. I apologize for the glare, but let's go ahead and open the box and take a look at the cards. Now, I have not seen any other videos or unboxings of this, so this is my very first very first impression. So obviously you do get a guidebook that explains, I guess, how to read the cards, how to use the cards, and then of course what the cards mean. So now this is interesting because I see you have some, I guess, wording here instead of pictures, which is very interesting. Now sometimes when you see decks that have words here instead of photos or artwork, excuse me, it's hard to interpret this card in any other way. So you don't really have to rely on your intuition when the words in this case are clearly spelled out on each card. You know, that may or may not work for some people, but it's definitely a different approach. Okay, so that is the guidebook, and here's the cards. So I'm noticing right off of the back, and again I apologize for the glare, is the cards. Mine got a little bent here on the bottom, which I'm not happy about. But you know, you can see it was bent in the package there. So this one has a little bend in it, but maybe once I break in the cards, that won't bother me too much. But what I was saying is, I noticed that the backs of the cards have the E squared logo. And yeah, so the cards just have words on them. Now I do remember reading about that in, I think it was in the Amazon reviews. People were saying that they did not like the fact that it had words, but I don't know, it doesn't bother me. You know, sometimes this can make things easy. But again, I'm not sure how exactly you're supposed to use the cards, and I will figure that out once I read through the guidebook. But the cardstock is pretty good, not too thin, not too thick. However, the cards do feel a bit stiff, and like I said, I don't like that one of my cards was damaged, but what are you gonna do? So anyways, that is my unboxing of the Oracle of E Squared by Pam Grout and Colette Baron Reed. I don't know, I do like the deck, but I kind of have mixed feelings about once I start using it. Again, it's not horrible. I don't know if what's bothering me is that one of my cards was damaged, or if it's the actual deck and the words on the cards itself. But you know, only time will tell. Obviously, I'll have to work with it for a little bit, see how I like it, and see how I respond with it. And I will definitely do a follow-up, probably in a month or so after I've used it for a while, and let you guys know my final thoughts. But anyways, do any of you have this deck? And what are your thoughts on it? You know, do you like it? Do you find it easy to work with? Do you find the cards pretty accurate? Let me know down in the comments below. I'm curious to hear your thoughts. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so, because I do have a lot more videos to come. All right, everyone. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.